What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tori Danielle here, and today I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I touch up my knotless knotless braids, knotless passion braids, and kind of just also go through like some pros and cons of this hairstyle. So this is now my second time doing this hairstyle, and you know, I feel like I've gotten a better idea of like the good and the bad about this style. First of all, what I'm going to use to touch up my hair, I'm going to be using the Murray's Edge Wax and some Eco Style gel. So I know typically when you get this style done, many braiders will use this Shine and Jam, but I also use this when I did my hair initially. I'm kind of finding that touching up my hair though, like if you have curly hair or natural, sometimes this isn't always the best because it's really moisturizing. Like this is a conditioning gel, and if you have large braids like mine, then what it's really gonna do is like moisturize your hair, which is gonna bring back the curls. You feel me? I don't know, I think I prefer to use this Edge Wax more because it feels like it gives me more of a hold versus the Shine and Jam gel. Basically what I'm just gonna do on these first parts is take some of the Edge Wax on my finger and just rub it into the parts and smooth it through the part. Now this is also somewhat moisturizing, so you will still kind of get a little wave action, but I think it's a little less like wet. It's a little less wet than the Shine and Jam gel. So typically I just do this around the perimeter of my hair, like maybe the first 2 rows. Another thing that you can do while you're doing this process is it kind of removes like a little bit of the knotless look, but it's something that you probably haven't done before if you've had braids and like touched them up. So one thing that you can do is just kind of give it a little twirl, and that's also just gonna tighten up the root a little bit and give you that neat look. Next, I'm gonna just go ahead and go through with my Eco and do these edges. Okay, so now the edges are together. Another thing that you can do, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I do like to use foam. So foam is always gonna help you reset your hair, especially after you have just applied your Edge Wax or your Shine and Jam. So what you wanna do is apply the foam, you know, on your roots, and also smooth it down onto your hair to like cover your hair. And then you would, of course, you know, set it with your scarf on and just, you know, kick back and relax a little bit. So as you can see with my hair, it's like a little, like you can see the hairs coming off of, like, if you look closely, I don't even know if you guys can see, I'm pretty sure you guys can see, but like there's loose hairs coming out all over, like hairs popping out of the braid. Now this may be avoided if you have your hair professionally done. One of the ways that you can manage like the frizziness that comes from these, taking scissors and just going through and cleaning up, you know, the same way you would do if you had just gotten regular braids done. Just go through along the sides and just kind of trim off the excess hairs. And then another strategy that I've learned, so for longer pieces like these, you would take your crochet hook, might slide it through, hook the strand, and just slide it through. And then just continue to do that till a couple, 2 or 3 times until the piece of hair is hidden completely. Now I haven't really been too pressed about it because like I've been in the house, so no one's really seen my hair like this recently, but it's definitely like very messy. But if this is what you're going for, then just go for it, girl. But you know, if you like, you still keep it a little clean, then definitely go through, use a crochet hook and just kind of trim along the sides. So also if you have your own hair coming out, so as you can see, I think some of this is my hair that's coming out. When you apply the foam and smooth it down. You can also apply the edge wax to your actual braids to smooth your hair down. So like this piece right here. Smooth it down and around. Now this is not a permanent solution because obviously like if the hair is out, the hair is out. But this is a way that you can do it, or you can also just use the crochet hook method. When you're at home, definitely put your hair up, because if you wear like cotton shirts, your hair will also rub against the back of your shirt, and that also creates friction, which is going to create frizz with your braids. So if you're home, just put your braids up, put them in a ponytail, put them in a bun, you know, just get them off your back so it's not rubbing against the back of your shirt and they're not rubbing against each other throughout the day, creating that frizz. Now on the other hand, I really love these braids. I did it myself, and I want to say it took me no more than like 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and this is my second time doing it. And the first time I did it, I want to say it took me 7 hours. I don't know, it definitely took me less time this time now that I got the hook of it and the hang of it. So if you're trying to learn how to do these, or if you want to learn how to do yourself, just keep pushing, girl, because you know everything takes practice. This isn't a style that's going to last you forever. Because it is larger, your roots get a little more messier sooner versus if you had smaller ones when you couldn't really see as much of your root in the box. I definitely think this is a cute style that you can do on your own, relatively quick. All you gotta do is just get the hang of the braiding. And even if you didn't do knotless, even with, I've seen the braids like these with knots on them as well. I tend to do knotless, so it's kind of like, you know, like I said, I'm not a professional, but even doing them with a knot, like the style is just really cute. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have enjoyed like this little review, little touch-up session. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.